Hello, I'm Ray, the Ray in the Ray Code. In this video, I'll be studying the design pattern known as Builder. I'll be using C#. Now, I use other programming languages to study this design pattern. For example, I use C++, Java, PHP, but for this video, I'll be using C#. Please check out those videos though. Now for this video. In this video, I will provide a list of reasons of why a C# programmer would want to study this design pattern. I will also give you the UML that was given by the King of Fort in the book of Elements of Reusable Code. I'll also go through a piece of code that you may play around with yourself because I posted the same code, in my GitHub site and also at theraycode.org. I provide a SWOT analysis for this design pattern, and I put timestamps in the notes so you may navigate to the section that interests you most. Please follow me on Facebook, X, and LinkedIn. Leave a comment. What am I doing right or what am I doing wrong? Just give me a comment. Please subscribe. Give me a like. Tell a friend the Ray Code is awesome. Be good. Here are some reasons why a C# programmer should study the Builder design pattern. Stepwise construction. Builder enables clear step-by-step construction of complex objects without overwhelming the client code. Improved code clarity. It separates object creation logic, making code more understandable, maintainable, and less prone to errors. Method chaining support. Easily supports fluent method chaining, creating a natural and expressive object building syntax in C#. Multiple configurations. Facilitates building multiple variations of an object without duplicating construction code or bloating classes. Decouples creation logic. Decouples object creation from its representation, promoting the single responsibility principle and clean architecture. By studying the Builder pattern, developers in C# can simplify object construction, enhance code modularity, and align with modern development practices. UML. Builder specifies an abstract interface for creating parts of a product object. Concrete Builder constructs and assembles parts of the product by implementing the Builder interface, defines and keeps track of the representations it creates, provides an interface for retrieving the product. Director constructs an object using the Builder interface. Product represents a complex object under construction. Concrete Builder builds the product internal representation and defines the process by which it is assembled. Includes classes, including interfaces that define the constituent parts into the final result. Collaborations. The client creates the director and configures it with the desired Builder object. Director notifies the builder whenever the product is built. The client retrieves the product from the builder. Hello, I'm Ray, the Ray in the Ray Code. In this video, I will give you a code example of the pattern called Builder. I'll be using C# for my demo. I'll try to follow along the UML diagram that the Game Fort has given us. We start with a class we call product. This will be the complex object that is to be built. We have a private list of product parts. We add parts to the product, so we want to display the parts. So we write to the console the product parts. We loop through our array list of parts. Now let's work on our Builder class. The Builder interface specifies methods for building the parts of the product. So we make it an abstract class. We require a step to build part A and a step to build part B, and we will need a method to return the final product. Now let's focus our attention on the Concrete Builder. The Concrete Builder constructs and assembles parts of the product. We extend it with a Builder interface, and having done so, we need to implement the missing methods. We need to implement build part A, build part B, and get result. So now let's implement these methods. So we build part A, add a part A to the product, and build part B, and we'll add part B to the product, and the private variable product that we declared at the top, we return fully built. Now let's create a director class. The director is responsible for constructing the product using the builder. So we have a method called constructor, which takes a builder object. With a builder object, we instruct the builder to build part A and to build part B. Now let's go to the main method in program.cs to do our demo. We initialize the director and we initialize the builder. We have the director, constructor, and the builder. The product retrieves the final product and we display the part with a show method. Let's build and run. We get parts A and part B. My name is Ray. Always code with a smile. SWOT analysis of the Builder design pattern in C#. S. Strength. Improved readability. Builder provides a step-by-step creation process, making code more readable and maintainable for developers. Complex overhead handling. Handles the creation of complex objects with multiple attributes, especially useful in C# projects. Code reusability. Encourages reusability by separating construction logic from the representation of the object itself. W. Weakness. Extra classes. Requires additional classes or interfaces, increasing code base size and complexity from small-scale applications. Increased boilerplate. Can't introduce excessive boilerplate code, especially when creating simple objects in straightforward C#. Learning curve. Developers unfamiliar with design patterns might find the Builder pattern initially confusing or overly complicated. O. Opportunities. C# fluent interfaces. Work seamlessly with fluent interfaces in C#, enhancing code clarity and usability in method chaining. Cross-platform. Helps in creating platform-independent solutions such as objects for .NET applications on multiple devices. Integration potential. Easily integrates with other patterns, e.g. factory, enriching architectural design choices in software development. T. Threats. Over-engineering. Misuse in simple object creation can lead to unnecessary complexity and over-engineered solutions. Maintenance risk. Multiple builders for different projects can increase maintenance effort in rapidly evolving C# applications. Alternative patterns. Other patterns like factory may be more suitable for certain object creation scenarios. That was my video. I plan to create these videos each week. Follow me on Facebook, X, and LinkedIn. Check out theraycode.org and .com. Leave a comment, subscribe, and like. Be good. The Ray Code is awesome.